than 20,000 different species of bees across the world. They can live in almost all habitats. Bees are the main pollinators. Without them, cows and other grazing animals would most likely starve. The state of Utah has many orchards that bees pollinate. Also, bees pollinate the countless wildflowers. No wonder bees are Utah's state insect. From wildflowers to fruits and vegetables, bees are one of the reasons an environment is biodiverse. This is because they pollinate a lot of flowers and plants. Non-tampered bee products have medicinal properties. Honey and propolis have antibacterial qualities. Propolis is used to seal a hive. Fun fact, a beehive is one of the cleanest places in nature. Royal jelly is packed with vitamin B. Royal jelly is what they feed to a larva to make it into a queen bee. Bee pollen is high in protein. Bee venom is used to cure arthritis and other inflammatory medical conditions. Millions of wild bee colonies have been wiped out by urbanization, pesticides, and parasitic mites. This is called colony collapse disorder. The queen bee can live for more than 2 years, but the colony kills her and makes a new queen so the egg production won't slow. A hive can only last a few days without a queen before crumbling into disorder. A queen bee has a stinger but only uses it to fight another queen. The drone is the only male in the hive. There are rarely more than 1,000 per hive. They cannot make honeycomb, forage, or protect the hive. The only thing they can do is mate. In the winter, the worker bees kick the drones out of the hive. The worker bees have many jobs throughout their life. They live up to 6 weeks in the summer and 8 months in the winter. Their first 3 days of life, they clean out the cell they hatch from and eat honey. 3 to 16 days of life, they remove the dead and disease from the hive. 4 to 12 days of life, they care for the young. 7 to 12 days of life, they attend the queen. 12 to 18 days of life, they take pollen from foragers. 12 to 18 days of life, they fan the hive. Fanning the hive cures the honey and keeps it at the right temperature of 93 to 95 degrees Fahrenheit. 12 to 13 days of life, they make honeycomb. 18 to 12 days of life, they guard the hive. For the rest of their life, they forage for pollen. Bees need water, pollen, and salt to survive.